Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for checking our podcast, Real Estate Insider. It's where America goes for funding. For the last 20 years, we're a nationwide commercial and residential lender. Really appreciate you guys watching the channel. Today we're talking about FHA spot approvals. What exactly is an FHA spot approval for a condo? You know, a lot of people, they're always trying to get FHA financing, but FHA isn't too popular with condos. Did you know there's over 150,000 condo associations in the United States of America, and only 5,000 are actually approved. So the other 145,000 of the condo projects that are actually built in the country aren't even approved for FHA. That means that you can't get an FHA loan on those condos. You have to do conventional, or you have to do a private loan or owner financing, but you're not allowed to do FHA financing. Until now, there's something called FHA Spot Approval, and we're going to talk about a solution on how to buy your condo if that condo is not an FHA approved condominium. Well, with the FHA Spot Approval, you could actually get a single approval for that one condo that you're trying to buy with certain restrictions that apply. You may be eligible to get an FHA Spot Approval for that condominium. And there are some specific requirements. Now, up until 2019, FHA had banned spot approvals, but now it's back again. And you can use the FHA Spot Approval to potentially purchase your home that's a condo that's not FHA approved. So we're going to talk about that today, because remember, we're a direct lender for the FHA, and we can give you an FHA loan approval, potentially an FHA Spot Approval, if you're trying to buy a condo that is not FHA eligible. Now, there are some requirements that have to be met. The first things is you have to have at least a 620 credit score. It's fully documented income, so we have to see your income for the last 2 years. You have to have a debt ratio below 50%. No bankruptcies or foreclosures on your record in the last 3 years. This program is available nationwide. The minimum loan is $200,000, so the loan has to be $200,000 or higher. It's available in every state except Maryland. Okay, and this is for purchases or refinances. Now, in order to be eligible for a spot approval, the first thing is that the condominium at least has to be 50% or more owner-occupied properties. That's the first rule for a spot approval. That means that if 51% or more are owned by investors, you're not going to be eligible for a spot approval. So we have to find out from the HOA the ratio of owner-occupied to investment owners, and it has to be 50% or greater for owner-occupied in order to be eligible for a spot approval. Okay, that's one of the first requirements. And also, and you can see this, I have it on my phone, and you can download a copy of the spot approval requirements on the YouTube channel, and you can actually download them there, and you can actually look at the requirements. There are some other requirements. The other one is that no more than 10% of the current units can be FHA insured. So that means that, for example, if there's 100 units, currently there has to be 10 or less that are already FHA insured. And if the condominium only has 10 units, no more than 2 current units can be FHA insured. So we have to look into this to find out how many units are in the condo project. So let's say there's 100 units in the condo project. 10% or less has to be the current amount of FHA approved properties. If it's more than that, then you can't do a spot approval. If it's less than that, you can. And those are the basic requirements for a spot approval. Okay, and you can file for this, and I'll actually put a link to the website where you can actually file for this to get your condo a spot approval. Because sometimes you want to do an FHA loan and the association is not approved for a spot or FHA. You can do a single standalone spot approval to get that condo approved. So it's really cool because then maybe you can still get your condo and live there and get an FHA loan and be one of the cool people and no one else has an FHA loan. So if we can help you, remember, we offer all different types of loan programs, FHA, VA, USDA, and we specialize in FHA condo loans. And remember, our minimum loan amount is $200,000 or higher. So if you're purchasing a condo that's at least $200,000 or higher, we can definitely help you. We do lend nationwide, and you can call or text our office at 832-431-6331. We definitely would love to hear from you. It's where America goes for funding, guys, for the last 20 years. And give us a big thumbs up on the YouTube and share this with anyone that you know, any realtors, any builders, any brokers, any of your friends or coworkers that are looking to buy a condo. Maybe they thought they couldn't get the condo approved because it's not FHA eligible. Look at doing a spot approval. This is how you get approved for an FHA condo that's not eligible, doing a spot approval. So you can download the information in the YouTube channel, call or text my office if I can help you. Thank you so much for checking us out, and check out my next video. And thank you. Bye-bye.